Have you ever wondered how your muscles contract? It's a fascinating process that involves a mechanism called excitation-contraction, or EC coupling. This is the process that transforms an electrical stimulus into a mechanical action, essentially making your muscles move. Let's start at the very beginning. Imagine a nerve signal traveling at lightning speed towards a muscle. Its destination is a specialized area known as the neuromuscular junction. Upon arrival, the nerve signal triggers the release of a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. This little chemical messenger has a crucial mission. It binds to receptors on the muscle cell membrane, also known as the sarcolemma. This binding action causes a rapid change in the electrical state of the muscle cell, a phenomenon referred to as depolarization. So the first stage of EC coupling is the conversion of a nerve signal into an electrical signal within the muscle cell. What happens after the muscle cell has been electrically stimulated? Well, let me guide you through this fascinating process known as excitation-contraction, or EC coupling. Once the muscle cell has been given the electrical nudge, this signal doesn't just stay put. No, it's off on an adventure. It travels along the surface of the muscle cell, the sarcolemma, and then dives deep into the cell via the T-tubules. It's these T-tubules that bring the signal into close contact with the cell's calcium store, the sarcoplasmic reticulum. The arrival of the electrical signal is like the ringing of a dinner bell for calcium ions. They rush out of the sarcoplasmic reticulum, eager to play their part in the process. And what a crucial part they play! These calcium ions bind to a protein called troponin. This binding causes a shift in the troponin-tropomyosin complex, a bit like a key turning in a lock. With this shift, the active sites on another protein, actin, are exposed. With these sites now in the open, the myosin heads can attach to actin, forming what we call cross bridges. It's a bit like shaking hands, but on a microscopic scale. And we can't forget about ATP, the energy currency of the cell. ATP provides the energy for the power stroke, the action that leads to muscle contraction. The transformation of an electrical signal into a mechanical response is truly remarkable, isn't it? So, to recap, excitation-contraction coupling in skeletal muscle is a fundamental process that transforms electrical signals into muscle contractions. The neuromuscular junction, sarcoplasmic reticulum, calcium ions, troponin, and ATP all play pivotal roles in this mechanism. It's an elegant dance of components, a beautiful interplay of biological elements working together to enable movement. And that, dear viewers, is the fascinating journey of a muscle contraction. Until next time, keep flexing those muscles of curiosity.